Well, today, the man charged in the shootings of two Minnesota lawmakers and their spouses back in June pleaded not guilty during his arraignment in federal court. Vance Boelter was indicted 3 weeks ago for murder, stalking, and firearms offenses in the shootings of John and Yvette Hoffman, as well as Melissa and Mark Hortman, who both died from their injuries. Minnesota Governor Tim Walz said in the immediate aftermath of the attack that it was a politically motivated assassination. NBC News correspondent Adrienne Broaddus has the very latest for us. Adrienne, what else happened during today's hearing? How soon are we expecting a trial to begin?
Hey there, Vicky. The earliest this case against Vance Boelter could go to trial is next year. So we're talking about 2026. And as you mentioned, he was in federal court today and attorneys entered a not guilty plea on his behalf. No cameras were allowed inside of the courtroom, but these are the sketches from that hearing that happened earlier this morning. He's facing a litany of charges, including stalking and murder, the murder of Minnesota lawmaker Melissa Hortman, as well as her husband, Mark. Many of you may remember police say he disguised himself as a police officer back in June when he carried out that attack. He is also charged with the shooting of State Senator John Hoffman and his wife Yvette that same night in June. Now, today, while in court, he answered, "Yes, Your Honor," when asked if he understood the charges against him. Vicky?
Adrienne, investigators learned that Boelter's motivation behind these shootings, his motivation was likely political. He had a whole list of other names of politicians in his car. Prosecutors are expected to have a, quote, huge amount of evidence to prove all of this. Tell us more about what they have previewed so far.
Yeah, at least 45 names were on what was described as a hit list they found in notebooks left behind in Boelter's car. And the acting U.S. attorney has called his crimes, quote, the stuff of nightmares. Now, here's where we are now. There's a scheduled status hearing for November, and prosecutors have been given 60 days to go through their evidence. There's a lot of it, Vicky. Federal authorities say they have digital information and tens of thousands of pages to comb through. This case is so complex, and the trial was initially scheduled for November, but that's not going to happen now.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.